Hello, families. Welcome once again. Yes, I know you're missing me for this wonderful project that you wanted to be updated day in and day out. And today, I'm going to give you the update right over here. Kindly subscribe to be listeners for your number one super, content right here in Ghana and Africa. So we are still, giving you the wonderful, update concerning the Ghana new, Bank of Ghana. Yes, the Bank of Ghana new headquarters right here located in Ridge, opposite the Ridge Hospital and also opposite the head of, the headquarters for Marine and also opposite the headquarters for, the Advantage Palace or the Advantage Heights. And you are watching this, so as you can see on my left, this is the hospital, the Red Hospital, and the Advantage Palace is what you're seeing right here. And this is the Bank of Ghana new headquarters right here located at Ridge. People were asking that, yes, are they going to leave the old one which is opposite the High Court? No, they are going to use both. According to an information gathered so far, they're going to use both, but this is going to be the biggest one so far. And yes, the down floor will be the car park. You will love it. Wow, this is the magnificent Bank of Ghana new headquarters. As you can see, it's going to be part of the tallest buildings right there located in Red, and Red is known as one of the business and also busy places right here in Ghana. A lot of businesses are closed. One reason is that yes, most of the banks are situated around this sector belt, so it's going to be so easy to have access to money and also have access to operation right over here. Anytime they want anytime they want to go to the Bank of Ghana, they can just drive easily. And if you're wondering you can why see Ghana from the drone footages that yes, the Bank of Ghana, it was headquarters 250 million US dollars right here. And also the that is the project why Bank estimated money so far 250 million. The reason is being financial, what is being used to construct this one of a project. Business and some of the Ghanaians are commenting that yes, it's not needed because we have the Bank of Ghana. And why are you wasting much money on this project? It must be used for this project because they have meant it and they want to just use it. So we're going to give you day in and day out update on this. You're going to follow this story till the end and also till the completion. So stay tuned on this channel and get all wonderful works right here. We have told you that we are going to reveal and also give you a lot of content right here. Whatever that we see on this planet Earth, it is our channel that you're going to see this wonderful story. So kindly enjoy this wonderful view and update your friends to follow the channel listeners for more creative content right over here. I'll be going out, but still stay tuned and watch how this project looks like till we meet again. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.